my name is Gabriel and I'm here to enlighten you with the information I believe everybody should know. And today I wanted to talk to you guys about how to cleanse your chakras. Chakras are human energy vortexes taught through spiritual understanding of the human body. I've made 2 videos about this topic, about what exactly they are and how to tell if they're either closed or open. For this video, you won't really need to watch those 2, but if you do, it will help expand the understanding of this whole topic. So make sure to go check those videos out and go like if you find them interesting. But nonetheless, this is how you cleanse your chakras. I'm going to separate every chakra into 3 subjects, which is elements and what the chakra is associated with, and nutrition, and what you can wear and decorate in your surroundings to help liberate these energy vortexes. But I'm going to start with the root chakra. The element of the root chakra is associated with earth. So anything that is physically interactive in your environment will help expand and open this chakra, such as walking barefoot in grass or dirt or sand. This is known as being grounded. And the nutrition in this chakra, it has to deal with red colored foods, fruits. So eating healthy red fruits such as tomatoes, beets, berries, and apples can help liberate this vortex of energy within you. Most of the chakras are associated with specific colors. So even the wear and decorate in your life, if you wear essence of shades of red and red jewelry, clothing, or shoes will help somewhat expand this energy vortex. And I even heard that taking baths in specific colored water helps. The sacral chakra. The element of the sacral chakra is associated with water, which swimming or spending time around bodies of water such as lakes or oceans is beneficial. The nutrition in this chakra is associated with eating orange fruits such as oranges, melons, and mangoes. And to wear and decorate is associated with shades of orange. So surrounding yourself with shades of orange or tones could help somewhat expand this vortex. Every single chakra has a specific color it resonates with. So sitting in a whole orange room will expand this sacral chakra since it resonates with orange. It seems very far-fetched, but you might be surprised what actually happens. The solar plexus chakra. The solar plexus chakra is associated with the element of fire. So enjoying sitting around a bonfire or just soaking up sunlight could be somewhat beneficial in opening your solar plexus chakra. The nutrition of this chakra is associated with yellow foods, such as bananas, ginger, pineapples, and corn. And to wear and decorate is associated with yellow. So wearing clothes or jewelry that is yellow or somewhat associated with shades of yellow would be somewhat beneficial to your solar plexus chakra. The heart chakra. The solar plexus chakra is associated with the element of air. So breathing deeply will help to clear these energies at this level. You can also drive with the windows down, or even fly a kite, or take a boat ride. These things could seem very far-fetched of actually doing, but don't you ever realize how you do specific things and you feel good in specific ways? This is associated with specific chakras. You're doing this, but you're unaware of it already. And now I'm just bringing awareness to it. And to wear and decorate according to the heart chakra is to ascend your life to all shades of green. The throat chakra. The throat chakra is associated to the element of ether, which is similar to spirit. So sitting in a open clear space under clear skies is a fabulous way to have the energy in your throat chakra start to flow, or at least flow appropriately. The nutritions in this chakra are associated with blue foods, such as blueberries, kelp, and dragon fruit. And to wear and decorate in your life would be associated with tones of blue. And again, this might seem far-fetched, but you might be surprised in what actually works. The third eye chakra. The third eye chakra is associated with light. To balance or open this chakra, try sitting in stillness in the sunlight, or relax by a window as you let the light pour in. The nutrition of this chakra is associated with indigo foods, including purple kale, grapes, and blackberries. And the wear and decorate according to this chakra is to let your life be associated with colors of indigo, such as clothing, jewelry, can be very beneficial to the energy flow of this chakra. And the last but not least, the crown chakra. And the crown chakra is affiliated with not a specific element, but with all of them. So connecting with your wholeness and simply not a single element is a recommended practice. And to help with this is to spend time in meditation or even prayer. To this chakra, nutrition is beyond the physical body. This chakra is not nourished by physical foods, but through spiritual practice, for example, meditation, and even like self-critiquing or curiosity of just your surroundings can help with this chakra. To wear and decorate is associated with the color of violet. So wearing colors associated with violet can be very beneficial to your crown chakra. And those are ways you could open and cleanse your chakras. I know they seem very far-fetched for the most part, especially the wearing color thing. But again, you might be surprised in what actually works. You just simply have to have faith and try. Because you're not going to get anywhere just being like, oh, this dude doesn't know what he's talking about. Or this dude's speaking of nonsense. I'm not the only one that believes in this stuff. There's millions of other people. And these millions of other people want other people to believe just as much as they do. But it just takes the first steps. And that's why I made this video. But I hope you found this video somewhat interesting. And if you did, make sure to like and sub for more videos on enlightenment. And make sure to check out my other chakra videos to have a better understanding of this whole topic. And or if you're into like aliens or something, just check out my videos. You'll find them interesting. But thank you for watching and much love.